Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you are in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. Also, right underneath the video, that's what that pillow is there to remind me to remind you guys that's where you come in. So if you're enjoying the content, please take a second to hit that thumbs up. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping True Wants get noticed on this huge YouTube platform. So I'm thanking you again in advance for that thumbs up. Okay guys, so excited. I received the Macys box for the month of December. And this is going to blow your mind. It did mine. This is to me, the least expensive box that has higher end products in it. It is $15 a month and it's free shipping. And Macys also gives you a coupon for their website as well. So this is like mind-boggling when I open this up. If you're not familiar on my channel, what I do is I open up everything prior to, and I take a picture for my Instagram. My name on Instagram is True Wants with the number 2. If you're not following me there, you are missing out. So I want to make sure that you follow me there too. And what I did was I try to undo any of the wrapping or anything so I could take the picture for Instagram, make sure that everything that's supposed to be in the box is in the box so that when I sit down here, I can sit down and then just share with you. As you know, on my channel, we don't do any edits. We literally just sit down live. I share with you the excitement of what's in a box because that's the feelings that I have, and I want to make sure that that comes across on the channel as well. So inside this box, we do get a card, and inside the card, it tells you everything that's supposed to be in the box and a montage here of everything that's supposed to be in here. And as you can see, this middle item here blew my mind that this is in a $15 box. So let's get started. You also get a coupon, and this month it's $10. Sometimes it's $5 that you're able to use, and I think it's on your next 40 plus beauty purchases. And this is perfect timing for this because there's so many fantastic deals on Macys.com that it will be so easy to be able to use this coupon. So I'm so excited to get that as well. All right, so starting with this box, they're saying has a retail value of $44.63. And they're saying this is called the Party Prep Family and Schedules and Parties. Oh my, the holiday can get a little hectic, but this month's beauty sidekicks will get you through any event season with the much needed boost of hydration and staying power. All right, the first item that's in here is one that I have shared with you on my channel so many times. This is the best value of a product with the most amazing punch. This has been around a really long time. So if you haven't tried the NYC Butter Glosses, this one is absolutely fantastic. I have no idea what shade they gave me, so just give me a sec. I will take a look here. And this one is saying, where's your shade? I don't have the shade on here. The sticker on the bottom is simply saying made in Taiwan. So I will see if it's on the side here. And it is called, oh, this is Creme Brule. This is such a fantastic color. All right, let me share that with you. Oh, also, if you haven't picked these up, we do have a restock of them on improvinglifestyles.com. I will leave that link down below. This is that phenomenal magnifier with the LED light that closes in itself and a key ring. It's turned into one of our runaway hits from the True Wants Need It bag. So I will leave that linked down below. All right. Starting here with the NYX, this is called the Butter Gloss, and it says, Sweet Tooth Rejoice. Not only does this silky smooth gloss practically melt on your lips without being sticky, but it is a delicious flavored to mimic all of the baked goodies you have this month. It has a sheer to medium coverage. It keeps you hydrated to make your lips look more plump, shimmery, and full. This is $5. It says how to use layer on your gloss to your heart's content. So let's just do a quick little swatch of this so you will see how beautiful this is. It is such a gorgeous color. Do you see that? And it comes with so many colors. I have a whole drawer full of these, and I'm so excited that so many people who get the Macys box now will be able to enjoy this as well. It is definitely something that should be in your stash. The next item is the one that absolutely blew my mind. This was the box that was inside. and it's from Sotra, S-U-T-R-A Beauty, and it's a mini hair wand. This is a $15 box. This is what is inside. And this one says, so you've got a brunch in the morning and holiday cards right after. Luckily, you have a curling wand that's small but mighty and delivers the consistent heat throughout the entire barrel. The result, beautiful, long-lasting curls that can go from one event to the next. They're saying this has a value of $200. It says how to use, wrap your hair around the barrel and hold until it heats up. Finish with hairspray. Is that not crazy that this is in here? So really excited to give this a whirl. All right, the next item in here is an oldie but a goodie. And if you haven't tried this, because it used to be in so many of the boxes, this is such a phenomenal product. This is from the brand called Belif. And it says this is the True Cream Aqua Balm. And if you're a combo girl, it's screaming, try me. So this one says it's loved by the beauty community and for good reason. Meet a moisturizer that does all the heavy lifting. It is formulated with the Ladies Mantle Ceramide at 3 and glycerin. This acts like a burst of hydration for dull, dry winter skin. The full size of this is a $38 value and apply as needed to the face, neck in the morning and night. Just so you know, when I said $200, that's probably for the full size of this, but this is $5. All right, let's see what this looks like in here to show you guys. It is this bluish green color. It is the lightest weight moisturizer, but it gives such amazing hydration. It truly is an absolutely winning formula. So if you haven't had the opportunity to try the True product from Belif, it is an absolute winner. So this is another winning win. Everything in here is phenomenal. All right, the next item in here is the product that introduced me to primers, face primers. This is the Photo Finish Primer from Smashbox. The only thing that should be melting this season is snow, not your makeup. Smashbox is delivering the ultimate base layer. It's a primer that it instantly smooths and blurs flaws with nourishing your skin with vitamins A and E. Also, it lasts for hours. You can also forego any of your touch-ups. The full size of this is $37, and it simply says to smooth it onto your skin before your foundation. This is usually feels a little silicone-y, but this is what started that whole making that surface like one, so that it goes into any crevices or anything you have in your face. You pat it in and then you let it dry, and then it has a little bit of a stickiness to it, but because it has silicone, it has an easy slip, and then when you put your foundation over this, you look flawless. It is so fantastic. All right, the next item that is in the box here came in this purple container, and this one is like a theme with the purple. And this one here is from Tarte, and this is their Tartiest mascara, and is their Lash Paint Mascara. This one I think has those spiky bristles, but we'll open it and see. It says, are those lashes real? Yes, they are. It is a patent wand that gets all the tiny spots, and usually the ones that you would miss, and the multi-length bristles coat every lash for a longer, thicker look with just one stroke. We knew something so small can pack on the pigment. See for yourself. The full size of this is a $23 value. It says apply upward in a zigzag motion. All right, so this, let's check what the wand looks like. And yeah, what I share with you all the time, and I tell you guys, no matter what, when you get an opportunity to try the minis, it is such a great way to know if you're gonna like the mascara before you invest in the full size, because the brush and the formula that's inside the minis is the exact same that's in the full size. And as you can see, these have those little spikes, and this is that plastic wand that gives you such length on your. Tarte makes really some great mascaras, and each one is unique on its own, but this one really gives you that length, and it gives you that dark pigment. So really excited that that's another one that to me I've already used and enjoyed. The next two items are perfumes and colognes, one for women. This one is Dior. It is the Miss Dior Eau de Toilette. It says it's inspired by the tenderness of a romantic love. This Dior Blooming Bouquet is a fresh and sparkling composition of damask rose dressed in a peony accord. It says it's fresh and charming. The full size of this is $115. It says a little goes a long way, and always put it on your pulse points. And that is the bottle, that is the full size there. I didn't spray any of the perfume simply because I'm already wearing, and I wouldn't be able to tell you, honestly what this smells like, but I'm really excited to be able to try this product. The next one is for men, and this is also from Dior, and it is the Mens Sauvage Eau de Parfum. And they're saying this is the legendary men's fragrance. It's inspired by the magic hour of twilight in the desert. This juicy freshness of bergamot combined with the deliciousness of vanilla absolutely makes for an unforgettable signature. And the full size of this is 125. Again, they're saying you will enjoy it for hours. So this one, you could almost smell a little bit through the card, and it is also really a very sexy scent. And that is what the bottle looks like there. And then, not on the card, there was an extra little bonus in my box, and I hope everyone gets a bonus too, because you can see by the picture, this is everything that we've already discussed. There was a separate little with 2 little scrunchies in here, but they're made with a fabric that's very, to me, New Year's Eve. It's a very chiffon-y type of gorgeous, and one in gold and one in black. And to me, that's absolutely perfect as an extra little gift for the holidays. Can you believe all of this for $15 free ship to our door? I think this is an absolutely winning box. I think they knocked it out of the park, and I'm so excited for everyone that is going to be able to get this. Like I said, I re-signed up for Macys when I got the Yves Saint Laurent bag, which blew my mind. And now again, this month is now another absolute winning box. Everybody, I just want to say thank you. This has been an unbelievable year for the growth of this channel. So I want to thank everybody now that I have the opportunity, and to wish everybody the happiest of holidays. And everybody, please continue to stay safe so that we can all stay well and be able to enjoy. And I'll see you all soon again in my next video. Take care, and bye-bye for now.